something. Oh, we got one. That's another one, y'all. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got something. We got something nice. All right, Tastic Gang, y'all see we got the kayak fully tricked out. Whoa, that was scary. Oh, got something, y'all. What's up, Tastic Gang? It's your boy TurboTastic. And today, y'all, I have the craziest video I ever am going to have on my channel for right now. Because y'all, today I have a very special surprise for y'all. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Been wanting to experience this and show y'all the experience for a long time. And it's finally here. I know y'all been saying your boy need to get on a boat, need to get a kayak, he need to do something. Well, today, I did that, y'all. Your boy got a kayak. I literally got me a 8-foot Challenger 100, and it's a Pelican. So, y'all see what we talking about. And I got wheels to carry the cart, so if I need to take it anywhere, it'll be light. This thing is really light, like it's super light. I'll be doing a full review on my channel of what I think of this, but y'all already know. Y'all, if you don't know, you should know now. I'm going to trick this thing out. It's going to be used for catfishing, gonna crappie fish. I'm gonna do all type of fishing out of it. So y'all know I have to make it that way. It's got cool features on it. Like I said, I will show y'all that in the actual review. Today, y'all, we are going to just get on the water and go fishing with this thing for the first time. We're going to try to catch some crappie. I'll be giving some crappie away at the end of the video. So that's going to be a blessing. We're going to try to catch some bass too. But the goal of the day is just to get a fish in the kayak. And y'all already know. It's green right now, but eventually it's gonna say TurboTastic. It'll be a different color. So y'all wait. I'm gonna be showing y'all the process of everything that I do to this kayak. So if you wanna do it to yours, you have every step. But y'all, this is a blessing. I wanna thank y'all and God for getting me here and allowing me to just have my own platform and share God's word and share the things I love to do. But without further ado, y'all, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video so this family can continuously grow and so people can see your boy doing some funny stuff on the water. But we gonna get straight up out there, and I'll get back to y'all when we there. I'm of course show y'all the setup. Y'all gonna see me setting it up and everything. I'm in love with it, so let's get straight to it. Tastic Gang and Incredible Squad, it's finally time for y'all to see the surprise, so let's get straight to it. Welcome to IncredibleTastixGear, y'all. We got 4 options with Incredible George's favorite color being the first. You could get that in a 6, 8, or 10 pack. Then you're going to be able to see TurboTastic's favorite color, and you could get that in a 6, 8, or 10 pack. Next, we have the original colors that we have came up with ourselves, and you can see every color, and you also have the option to get that in a 6, 8, or 10 pack. But the best part is next, when you get to customize exactly what you want and tell us exact details for glitter and color, and we're going to get it done for you. I promise y'all, you're not going to want to miss out on this dropping on Friday. If you hype for the store dropping on Friday, make sure you leave a like, comment, and share this video. And if you were a fish, would you eat what you create? Alright, Tastic Gang, y'all see we got the kayak fully tricked out. That's where y'all gonna be propped up behind me. But we got the paddle, we got the crappie fisher reel. It's a measurer right here, but there's no numbers. So we got the crappie measurer right there, just more gear, more tackle. And that's where the crappie gonna go. And then more tackle that I can have for when we go bass fishing. Y'all see I got my bass pole. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get out on the water, y'all. I pressed it. Alright. Are you recording? Alright, y'all. Ooh. We out here on the kayak. We trying to get a first feel for this. We're gonna see how it is. I've been on a kayak before, but I've never owned one. Now I own one. Whew, it's crazy. I guess I'm gonna start fishing. Yeah, I mean, we'll see how it works throughout the whole time, but we just gonna drift and fish. How y'all like the angle? Look good? Y'all let me know if I should change it up. Dude, this feel crazy.
I'm about to go ahead and go. I recorded something to show the moment.
Okay.
Oh, and by the way, I forgot to let you know, the wind and the current is gonna push you.
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah.
I know.
Now you can get to more places.
Huh?
I said, now you can get to more places.
Yeah. Oh, I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, I got my first fish, y'all, the kayak. Okay, let's see. Let's get it. Yeah, we got the first fish in the kayak. Okay, let's figure out how I'm gonna do this. Alright. I got him. Y'all see him? So we just using the little 1.2 inch crappie mode. Look at that. That's a nice bluegill right there. That's the first fish ever caught in a kayak. Y'all see that? That's crazy. I'm gonna get him back though. One thing I do know, I'm gonna buy another chair. Yeah, so I can sit up a little higher. Alright, y'all. We just caught our first fish ever on a kayak. This is crazy. Like, y'all, I just can't believe I'm on a kayak right now. Like, I own my own kayak, let alone just caught a fish on it. But y'all usually see me on the bank fishing, and now y'all and God have blessed me to literally be on the water. I could go anywhere I want. So we're gonna try to catch a lot of fish today. I do gotta go to work, but we're gonna be out here till then. And yes, y'all, we being safe. We got a life jacket, even though your boy can swim. I assume that we are in deeper water now, so we're gonna put the bobber a little higher. And I'm gonna set up my bass fishing rod. We're gonna put some of the custom lures on. We're gonna put on the shad color. Y'all see? That's what we're gonna put on. And we're just using a skirtless chatterbait. Got a rig like so, right here. Oh, got something. We got something, y'all. Yes, sir. I don't know what we got, but we got something. I got some crappie. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. We got us the first crappie, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. We just caught us our first crappie ever in the kayak. Let's see how long he is. Let's see if I can. I don't think we're going to be able to see how long he is today. Keto. But yeah, y'all. There you go. We're going to get him in the bucket that I got behind me. In my little storage unit. Sorry for hitting y'all. Here we go. And we're gonna go ahead and store him in the bucket. Get some water. One thing I can say though, when I wobble or do any of this, like, I feel good. I don't feel nervous. I don't feel like I'm gonna tip over or anything. Water kind of gets in here, you know, but that's gonna be with any kayak. But I'm loving it. Y'all see, I done caught 2 fish so far, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna just keep fishing. Plus, we doing something we've never done before in our life. Fish from a kayak. I mean, I'm not finna complain at all. I'm just blessed. This is crazy, y'all. I'm way too comfortable. Let's try to get the measurer. Yeah. Get it out so next time we get it. And we got little fish grippers right here. Y'all can't probably see that, but we got them. We want to catch a bunch of crappie today. The goal is to catch every species in this lake or pond today. We've already knocked off 2 that I know. I mean, I know we got bullheads, but I don't have bait for that. But we got a crappie and a bluegill. Now we just got to catch a bass. But we'll do that later on. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got something. We got something nice. Oh, we got something nice. It's running straight to the kayak. Oh, what is this? Oh, another bluegill. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Man, that's a beefy one. I can lip him. How did you keep this in your mouth? Oh, there you go. Y'all look at that. Make sure I don't lose my pole. Look at that. We got another bluegill. That's the 3rd fish of the day, y'all. We gonna get him in the bucket just because of how big he is. That's gonna be a nice eater. And I promise y'all, we gonna eat him. He just fell. That's 2 in the bucket now, y'all. Oh, we got something. Wow. Oh, we had something. Literally while I was trying to, y'all saw. What the world? Oh, we got something again. Oh my gosh. What is this? I think it's another bluegill. That came off. We got a bait. Crap. Still got our bait. I don't know what the world just happened. Whoa, that was scary. I'm not gonna do that again. I felt like I was gonna tip over. That was scary. Oh, we got something. We got something, y'all. Oh, snap. Come on. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Got us a little bluegill. Look at that. Oh, whatever you want to call this. It's a sunfish. I know that. I know that much. Let's get you, buddy. Y'all see him? Let's go. Y'all see him? We're gonna get him back though. That's the 4th fish today in the kayak. Thank you. Where's my bobber? I think we got a fish, y'all. I don't know about. Yep, we got us a fish. We got something, y'all. I don't know what it is. It feels like a bluegill. Yeah, that's what it is. Y'all, we got us another bluegill, and they are getting big. Well, I guess you could call this, dang, is this a brown? I don't know what exactly this is, but it's a sunfish. I know that for a fact. Or a panfish. Come on. All right, buddy. Give me my lure. Give me my lure. Please. Thank you. Y'all see him? That's a fifth one though. Let y'all see a better look at him. There we go. Oh, that's a stick. Oh, we got us one, y'all. We got something. Yes, sir. We got us, oh, we had us something. It was super small. Whatever it was. Got something, y'all. Got something. Yep. Got us a bluegill. Go. Ooh, come on. Come on, buddy. Relax. We're gonna get you out. But you, come on, relax. We're gonna get you done, but you going in the bucket. Look at how big you are. Come on. We got him. Yeah. He already know his fate. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Look at that boy. We gonna get him in the bucket. Oh, we got something. Oh gosh, I wasn't even paying attention. What we got? There we go. We got us another little sunfish. Gosh, come on, buddy. I already got you, so relax. Relax and do not skip me. Just relax. There we go. Y'all see him? We got him. It's time to go and get him back. I want to catch some more crappie. That's what I want to catch. Just got to find out where they're at. Oh. Out of something. We got us something, y'all. I don't know what it is. Feels like a bluegill. Yeah. More than likely it is. Yep. That's a bluegill. And he swallowed the lure. Of course, like it's live bait. Alright, we got it. Y'all see him? It's another little baby, but a beautiful fish. I don't know how many fish we got in the kayak today, but hey, we got us a lot. And we got us some in the bucket too. We're gonna go and get them back though. Oh, got something. Feels like a crappie this time. Come on. What we got? I think we got us a crappie. Yeah, that's gotta be a crappie. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is. And he barely hooked. Let's get him in. Oh, and he just unhooked himself. Okay. Okay. Don't. Chill out. Just relax. Relax. Oh, come on. Stop it. stop doing that. Oh, oh. I guess this is the difficulties of having a kayak. When you get the fish in, it'll start flopping around. But we got us another crappie. We don't gotta get them up in the bucket, y'all. Thank God for this. We're gonna actually measure on them too. We're gonna measure them too. Yeah. Let's do that real quick. So we got this now. Let's just get you up in there without you trying to flop away. Well, he up in there for right now. He right at. If I get, oh, he just flopped out. Y'all saw that. He literally just flopped out back into the water. So we gotta try to catch another one. It's the first fish to escape on me from the kayak. Got something, y'all. We got something. I think it's another bluegill, the way it's fighting. Yep. Look at that. We got him. I knew we had something. Let's go. Thank you, buddy, for being another fish caught on a kayak. Let's get you on hook. Come on. You work with me, I work with you. Let's go. We got him on hook. Y'all see him? I think we done let too many of them go. That's why they keep jumping away. So we gonna get him in the bucket. Actually, we gonna let him go and we only gonna keep crappie. Yeah. There you go. Oh, we got one. We got one. I didn't even know. There go a little bluegill. Let's go. Dang. That seemed like all we catching today. I mean, I ain't complaining. Cause we catching fish, y'all, in our brand new kayak. Look at that, y'all. We got him here, nice little chunky one. We'll go and get him back though. Alright, well, we just broke off, so gotta get some more big bite bait hooks. Cause that's what I've been using to catch all these fish today. And the size is 1/32 ounce jig head. That's all it is. Actually, y'all, we're gonna put a blade runner on. Switch it up real quick so I can specifically target crappie. I use this little blade runner right here. And that should get the job done. Yeah, this right here. And we're gonna use the Micro Finesse Z-Man as the lure. Oh, we got something, y'all. Oh, we got something. I think we got us a crappie. I don't know what. Yep, that's a crappie. Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. Got us another. Oh. Okay. Let's relax. Just stay still. Alright. Y'all see that? That's a nice one, too. Look at that. That's a nice crappie right there, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get him in a bucket. We were gonna measure him, but of course y'all know what happened last time I tried that. Y'all, we got something. I don't know what it is. I think it's a crappie. Ooh. Oh, the bluegill. Come over here, buddy. Ooh, look at that. Golly. That's 2 casts back to back. And they both are big fish. Dang. I mean, look at that. Y'all see how big that is? Look at that shell cracker. Well, I'm gonna get him in the bucket, man. Y'all, this is truly a blessing to be able to catch fish literally in a kayak. Y'all just wait till I trick this thing out. When I trick this thing out, y'all not even gonna think this is the same kayak. Oh, we got something, y'all. Golly. That hit right at the bank. Yeah, come on, buddy. Come on. You decided to hit so aggressive. Let's go. That's another one. That's another one in the kayak. Dang. Oh, stuck me. God, fan stuck me. We're gonna just try to do this one like this. Alright, y'all, we got that one. Y'all see him? We will go and get him back. Look at the beautiful designs on. Go and get him. Oh, we got something, y'all. Got something. Think it's another bluegill. Yep, it is. Ooh, let's go. Let's get him on the hook. Shouldn't be hitting my lure. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna go and get him back, though. Oh. Got something, y'all. Right there. What is it? Oh, it came out. Just a little bluegill. Oh, that's a big spider. Oh, dang. Dang, that's a big spider. Behind us trolling, so if we get anything off of that, we'll know. Haven't had that happen before though, obviously, because I haven't had a kayak. But oh, we got something. Oh god, we actually got something. Oh gosh, y'all, we actually got a bass. Oh gosh, y'all, what the world? What the? Oh, okay. Relax. What the world? Yo, that was literally like... What the world? I was talking about it happening, and it happened. Okay. Look at that. Look at that, yo. We were trolling this lure for the first time ever. And the bass came and got it quick. We gonna go and get him back though. Thank God for that. That was so cool, bro. We gonna try that again and make our way back down. Oh, got something, y'all. Oh, got us a crappie. Look at that. Oh, that's on the, oh, it just, okay, check. Oh. Hey, look at that. Y'all see that? Got us another crappie. We caught that on the custom lure that we made. So that shows y'all that the 3-inch jackhammer mode will catch fish, or will catch crappie. Of course it'll catch fish. But I thought it would only catch bass. I didn't know that it would catch crappie. But yeah, y'all be able to pick this lure up to catch fish like this on Friday. We're gonna go ahead and get him in a bucket. We better make it back to the ramp and unload everything, get these fish in the freezer. But after that, y'all gonna see me out here again. Y'all see, we got everything packed up. I didn't know how I was gonna do it, but I knew I was gonna find a way to get this kayak and out the water every time I wanted to fish. Now y'all gonna see me tomorrow. Alright, y'all, we back at the crib. Now we gotta dump all the fish that we caught today. They come out. There they go. That's all we caught today. But like I said, we are going out again. So we're gonna get these bags up and in the freezer, and then y'all gonna see me fishing again. Let y'all see them. Y'all see them? There we go. That's all we caught today. Alright, y'all, that's the process, setting the kayak up. Now it's just trying to get it up in the water. There we go. Alright, y'all. We out here now. Alright, we got my spinning reel. It's just a Shimano R2000 paired up with this micro glass quite, or this micro quite glass ultralight Bass Pro rod. And it's just $15 if you want to go pick it up. They got it in sizes from 6 to 7 foot. This is the 7-foot version. But like I said, we just got the Z-Man micro finesse on with the blade runner, and that's what we're gonna use for right now. Oh, we got something already, y'all. We already got something. Oh gosh, got us a crappie. The very first cast. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Okay. This is why I need rod holders. Right here. Those will be getting installed. Look at that, y'all. Got some nice little crappie. That's the first one of the day, though. We got him on the stringer now. So we're going to be able to keep every crappie that we got. I think we got us another one, y'all. Yep, we got us one. Yep. Yes, sir. That's a crappie, and he's gone. Y'all saw that. He literally just hopped off. Oh, we got one, y'all. Yep. That's a baby, but we got one. That's a baby crappie right there. Y'all see that? We're gonna go and get him back. Oh, got one. That's another baby. We got one though. Get him on hook real quick. That's another one, y'all. We're gonna go and get him back. I just threw my whole rod. And, dude, oh my gosh. Let me just get this in. Y'all see what happened. You literally can see. It's a 2-piece reel. Oh my gosh, don't get a fish on. I literally think I got a fish on, y'all. What the world? Alright. Untangle there. Untangle there. Put it back in. Oh, got something. Got something. There we go. That is a huge bluegill. Oh my gosh. Okay, and he spit the hook. He spit the hook. Alright. We got it. It's a big one. I see that. Look at that. It's a huge shell cracker. We're gonna get him back though. Oh, we got something, y'all. Got something. Oh, come on. It's a crappie. It's another crappie. Make sure we don't lose the pole that's catching all the crappie. Yeah, y'all, there we go. That's another one today. A second, second crappie that we're gonna be able to keep. But we done caught 4 in total, plus that bluegill. But we're gonna go ahead and get him on the stringer real quick. We just lost that crappie. I actually think we're not gonna keep any of these crappie until I get my brother to bring this bucket. So he gonna go. Oh. All right, then yeah.
I started.
All right. Thank you.
And I'll send you that video. I got a really good video.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, we got something, y'all. That's a crappie. Oh, it's a big crappie. Okay, let's not lose him. Okay, relax. 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 Look at that. Dang, y'all. Look at that. That's the biggest crappie we'd have caught out the kayak. That's a nice size one. Y'all see him? We'll go and get him up in the bucket and then try to catch some more of these. Oh, there go another one, y'all. That's on the next cast. Come on. Oh, come on. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Oh. Whew. He tried to go under me. I didn't want to get spiked there. Did not want that to happen. Look at that. We got us another crappie literally the next cast. You already know the saying. We're going to get them in the bucket and then try to get us another one. It's always good when you come out to fish and you have a plan and then you're able to execute the plan. Oh, got us another one. Come on. He don't feel that big. Oh, he is a good size. Never mind. Ooh. Ooh. There's no way he'd get in the way because he just got stuck in the storage unit. Look at that. Got him on hook. Look at that. Got us another crappie. Finna get him in the bucket. And we gonna keep hitting this spot because this is where they're at now. Usually they're on the other side where I be fishing at, but today it's like they're out in the middle. Oh, got one. It's a baby one, but we got one. It's a real baby. He swallowed the lure. Dang. If I can get it from him. Gotta get the pliers. Look at that. That's a baby right there, y'all. We're gonna go and get him back because he's way too small to keep. got one. That's another one, y'all. All right, do y'all want to keep any? I don't mind giving you any. All right. Yeah, oh crap. Oh crap. I see that one? Well, gonna get him in the bucket real quick. Sir? Oh yes, sir. They real nice sizes. I'll only catch a couple baby ones. Oh, he got some. Oh, that's another one. Yep, that's another one. It's a baby, but we got him. Hopefully, let's see. We jet skiing them right now. Oh crap. Alright, we got him start twirling. Hey, y'all see how small he is? It's a super baby. It's like the 4th baby we done caught. Oh, got him back though. Oh, that's one. Oh! Come on. Man, I thought it was a bass at first, y'all. He might spit the hook. He might spit the hook. He might spit the hook. Oh, crap. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, we got him. Whew. I say he was barely hooked in. I could barely get the hook out. Let's go. Look at that one. That's a nice sized crappie right there, y'all. We're gonna get him with his brothers and sisters in the bucket. Oh, we got a big old bass. Ooh. Oh, dang. Oh, I got one. Oh. Oh. Look at that, y'all. Got us a nice football-sized crappie. We finna get him up in the bucket. I can't even talk right. Y'all, I love fishing, and I appreciate y'all supporting my channel and allowing me to be where I am today. It's truly a blessing. We're gonna get him in the bucket so we can give these away and cook some of these. Cause my grandma been asking for crappie for like the last 2 months, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and get her some crappie. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get back and go up to where we've been catching the crappie and catch us one more, and then we're gonna go ahead and leave. Y'all let me know all the stuff that y'all want to see me do and catch out of my kayak, because I'm gonna make it happen. Let's go and get it. Got one. I think so. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Come on. Just relax. Alright, y'all see it? That's the last crappie of the day. I done had an amazing time for my first time ever owning and being on a kayak, fishing from it. It's just a blessing to even be saying that, and a blessing to be able to fish and have y'all watching me. But we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, y'all. I'm gonna get this one in the bucket, but make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe so this Tastic family can continuously grow. Y'all know we close to 5,000. We almost there. Y'all keep supporting your boy, and your boy gonna keep bringing this content that's gonna be fire for y'all. And we gonna get up out of here. It's been your boy TurboTastic. Peace.